A lot of people in the industry are sceptical about using automated function point counting. And 3 or 4 years ago, that skepticism was probably valid. But over the last 3 or 4 years, DCG and CAST have been working together to perfect the algorithms that CAST have. And certainly when it comes to application counting, we believe now that a calibrated automated count is as good as, and often better in certain circumstances, than a manual function point count. What might those circumstances be? When you've got a lot of applications to count, if you're in a portfolio management situation, any time when you're doing regular repeated releases and you need to repeat the application or the portfolio count, every 3 months or every 6 months. Over the years, we've worked with many organisations, and we continue to do so, who've done successful implementations of function points. But of course, we always hear the horror stories of the companies that have trouble implementing. A great way of implementing successfully is to use David Consulting Group, because obviously we have experts who do this all the time. But where companies don't choose not to do that, or find that that option could be too expensive in high volume, they try to implement it themselves, and they always have problems getting consistency in their counts, because the people that they ask to do the counting aren't dedicated counters in the same way as the DCG staff might be. Now, automated function point counting overcomes this problem. Once you've got the algorithm set up and the applications are calibrated, then obviously each count that you get is going to be perfectly repetition of the count before, so you don't have to deal with the nuances of people that aren't doing it as a full-time job or don't entirely remember or understand the rules. The computer will execute the algorithm the same way every time, so you've got built-in consistency from one count to the next.